Hey there, I'm Jeff McGinnis. I'm with CrossCountry Mortgage, and the question for today is, what's the difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval? And in the most simple terms, a pre-qualification is a great conversation with a professional lender that can give you a good idea of what you might qualify for. So this would be reviewing in things like what kind of income does your household make, what do you think your credit scores are like, and about how much money do you have for a down payment. So a good lender can typically go through that, take about maybe 5 to 15 minutes and review with you some basic qualifications and give you a good range of what you'll be looking at and looking for. A pre-approval is actually a little bit of work, so it does take some time. A good lender will give you some homework to verify everything that you've talked about on the pre-qualification. So asking for things like W-2s and tax returns, pulling credit, looking at asset statements, and reviewing that with the loan officer as an individual or possibly with their team, so that the type of loan and the documentation that you provide match with the qualifications that are required by that particular program. And so the whole idea is moving from pre-qualification to pre-approval to getting into contract for a purchase is so that when your offer gets written, that you're the most qualified buyer, that you are the safest buyer, meaning you're going to be putting a lot of money towards the earnest money when you go make an offer. And if it's a competitive environment, you may have to or consider waiving certain conditions on that contract so that you are the most attractive buyer. So if you've done all your homework, if you've done all the work up front, there should be no reason why you wouldn't be absolutely confident in being able to compete in a highly competitive marketplace. And we want to keep your earnest money safe so that if you've done the work, that we can actually close on your loan and make sure that your earnest money isn't at risk. So those are some things that you can consider when reviewing your options with, do I want to get pre-qualified or should I really go in and go for the pre-approval? Hope this has been helpful. I'm Jeff McGinnis with CrossCountry Mortgage. Feel free to reach out to me at any time.